Are you in need of a comprehensive solution for managing multiple servers efficiently? Look no further than the MT-VIKI 1U19-foot LCD KVM console. This powerhouse device integrates an 8-port KVM switcher, touchpad, keyboard, drawer, and a 19-foot LCD monitor, all in one sleek package. With a maximum resolution of 1280 by 1024 at 60 Hz, it ensures crystal clear visuals while providing seamless control over up to 8 computers or servers. Measuring at 18.9 by 23.6 by 1.77 inches, 480 by 600 by 45 millimeters, and with a mount depth ranging from 23.6 inch to 31.8. This console boasts a standard 1U rack-mountable design with slide rails, making it easy to install and operate within your server rack setup. Switching between servers is a breeze with multiple options available: OSD menu, keyboard hotkey, or physical button, ensuring flexibility according to your preference. What's more, this console supports external USB mouse connectivity, adding another layer of convenience to your workflow. And if your server infrastructure demands scalability, fear not. With daisy chaining capability of up to 64 computer servers using the compatible MT-VIKI rack mount KVM, ASIN, B09NPXNC6X or B0BJ6M71RP, you can expand your setup effortlessly. For added peace of mind, the MT-VIKI 1U19-foot LCD KVM console is compatible with various operating systems including DOS, Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac OS 8.6, 9, 10. Plus, with a generous 2 years warranty and lifetime tech support provided by MT-VIKI, you can trust in the reliability and longevity of this product. In conclusion, if you're seeking the ultimate solution for server management, the MT-VIKI 1U19 LCD KVM console ticks all the boxes. From its intuitive operation to its robust build quality, this console is a game-changer for any IT professional or server enthusiast. Experience seamless control and unparalleled efficiency like never before with the MT-VIKI 1U19-foot LCD KVM console. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.